Whoa!
Good boy, Adam.
Get it, Adam, get it. Whoa!
Good boy.
Oh! Come on, Ellie. He starts panting. So cute. First time it scared me because he's running, and then he's panting. I'm like, you okay?
But he's excited.
Just gets all excited, yeah. Come on now, come here. Come on, little girl.
He's so dang cute.
Isn't he cute? He's so sweet. He's like this little... Oh, get.
Hi, Adam. Say hello. Such a handsome boy.